So let us make corn porridge this morning. Yes, breakfast idea. Corn porridge. So first thing we are going to do now is to pick up this and put it in the blender to give us a smaller size of the corn. So let's do that right now. So here we have our fine, roughly grounded corn. So you can see it's not smooth, it's roughly grounded. If you like, you can sieve out the dust. It's optional, but I'm not going to sieve out the dust. I'm going to be washing it to reduce the chaff, because I don't want much of the chaff in it. So let's do that now. Let me wash and reduce the chaff. So here you notice the chaff floating. What you're going to do is to sieve it out repeatedly until you no longer have this. As soon as you're done with that, then we cook it on low heat until it's soft. You can see your fine corn, tinier particles. As you can see, not too big, just okay. So we're going to be sieving this off the pan of the water. So after multiple times of decanting, I am now left with this. See how beautiful it is. See, clean. So we're going to be bringing this to boil. We're going to be cooking on a medium heat, please, not low heat, on a medium heat, and we'll keep stirring so that it doesn't get burnt. So follow me as we do that. So we are adding it to hot water that just boiled. So what you do is after 2 to 3 minutes you stir. You don't want to allow it to get burnt, so you stir it until you notice that the corn is soft and well cooked, and then this water would have blended in to form a porridge. Then you know your pudding or corn porridge is ready. As you can see, it's becoming thick. So what you do, once you notice that it's becoming thick, you start reducing the heat. If not, it will get burnt. Reduce it. So I'll be stirring it. If you notice that it's too thick, you can add a little bit of water. As if you notice it's too thick and it's not cooked, add a little bit of water and continue cooking. So as you can see, it's getting thick, but it's not well cooked yet. So I'm going to be adding a little bit of water, and then I'll reduce the heat so that it can cook on low heat at this point. It's almost ready. So if you don't want your cooking to take this long, you can actually prepare the corn, clean it up. After blending, you wash it and clean it and allow it to soak for like 6 or overnight. That will make your cooking less. So our porridge is ready. Yes, it's ready. I'm going to it. So the porridge is ready. This one is thick because I'm using liquid milk. The liquid milk will lighten it, you know. But if you're using a powdered milk, please, you can choose to make it a little lighter. I'm going to be adding the sugar. To your taste. And then the milk. So our breakfast is just ready, and I'm pairing it with this spinach akara that you can see here. Yeah, spinach akara. Please enjoy your breakfasts.